Ever dreamed of turning your creative visions into stunning vectors, but felt the financial sting of Adobe Illustrator? Alright, let's dive straight into how you can potentially get your hands on Illustrator without breaking the bank. First up, the official route: the Adobe Creative Cloud trial. Head over to the Adobe website and look for the free trial option. Adobe often offers 7-day or even a longer free trial for Illustrator. Carefully read the terms and conditions to understand the trial's limitations and the automatic billing that happens if you don't cancel if you decide to try it. Click the button to start your free trial using the official Adobe website. Secondly, consider student and educator discounts. If you are a student or educator, educational pricing is often available, significantly reducing the cost. Check Adobe's website. You'll need to provide verification like a student ID. Thirdly, explore other free software. Free software could be a great alternative for your design projects. Several free alternatives exist, like Inkscape, a popular, feature-rich vector graphics editor. While it may have a different interface, you might find it meets your needs. Next, look out for Adobe promotions and bundles. Sometimes, Adobe offers special promotions, bundles, or discounts, especially around holidays or specific events. Keep an eye on their website or sign up for their newsletter to stay informed. Keep in mind, to stay legal and safe, always download software from trusted sources. Downloading pirated copies can expose your computer to malware that covers it. You are ready to start creating your masterpieces. Happy designing!